Hello everyone, Kitslam here and welcome back to another video here on the channel. Today we're going to find out who won the art print giveaway. Last week we posted a video called the Epic Wall of Art Giveaway. This is a collection of art prints that I've been working on for the last couple of years on the channel. If you've been following along, you will recognize many of these different art prints. One of these will be given away to one of you guys if you participated in last week's video. So what I'm going to do is grab this camera here. We'll take a look at the art prints one last time and then we'll head over to my computer and we'll find out who won. I'm going to stand up here and we'll take a look at the wall. That there is Mr. Incredible though, of course. That's the chalkboard drawing for the Chalkboard Art Challenge. Really enjoyed working on that one for you guys. Okay, so there's a variety of different things. We got some M&M mosaics, some pencil color drawings, some Oreo cookie carvings. There's Chewbacca. We have some Marvel artwork. This guy, that's the question of the day. Who knows who this guy is? He's been a huge inspiration in my life, for sure. We got some Stormtrooper and other Star Wars Oreo cookies. That there is an inverted drawing of Wario. We have a couple more inverted drawings on the wall. We got Mario Odyssey and Shy Guy, you can see. What else do we got? Some more M&M mosaics, more pencil color drawings of some epic movies, Lord of the Rings being one of my favorite movies. And there you go, so that is the collection. So you guys will let me know which art print you would like to take home. We'll walk over to my computer and see if you won the giveaway. So let's go over here. I've got OBS currently loaded. It is recording the screen so that we can do this efficiently and effectively. So this is a random YouTube comment picker, YouTube random comment picker, and it will select the winner of the giveaway. It's a great website. If you're doing any giveaways yourself, I would recommend using it for either Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. So there you go, a little tip there. We got the Epic Wall of Art. This is last week's video, so I'm going to go ahead and pause that for a moment, and let me just scan down here and just thank all of these lovely people who participated in the giveaway, such as Justin Bennett. Thank you for leaving your friendly comments always. We got Ghost Crystal, Benzopyrene. A lot of these people have been subscribed for years, like Benzopyrene for years. Thank you so much. It's amazing. We got Zincat is always supporting the channel. DK Drawings, he's got a fantastic art channel himself, so go check that out. Jahua has again been a huge support to the channel, and I just love the content that he's doing with Rubik's Cubes and just his temperament in general. Very, very, very nice guy. We got Rain Art, you're amazing. Oh, there's a lot of people, thank you. We got, I think this is someone who's been subscribed for quite a long time, so thank you so much. Rachel, Super Nikolai and I will actually be doing a collaboration with another large YouTuber, so we're both pretty pumped about that. That should be coming out later in the summer. JM Art, all of these people, great art channel. Adam Mack leaving the most fantastic comments always. Luke Bentley, thank you everyone. So all of you guys are amazing. Let's go ahead and just copy this link here and we'll find out who won the giveaway by pasting it in here. Now, let me just mention, if you are the winner, what you're going to want to do is contact me because I will need an address to send this to. So I'm assuming you're over 18 and that you've asked your parents. If you're not, because I will need your address, and you'll want to contact me likely through Instagram or Facebook. YouTube has a messaging system, but it is kind of disappearing soon, or maybe it's already gone. So anyways, I'll be in touch with you and you be in touch with me. We'll find a way to send this to you. There are 25 of you who participated, so huge shout out to each of you. Thank you so much. That is amazing. I think it makes it a little bit more fun when more people are involved. I'm going to click start and we'll find out who won. So here we go. Who will win the giveaway? The winner is Zingcat. Okay, well this is interesting though. Those are all fantastic. Since I already won something from me, you already, I do not need to enter again. Wow. Zincad, what can I say? You are a lucky man, but he has opted to not participate so that he could give more room and space for you guys to win. Okay, so that's amazing. So then let's just try this again. So there you go. Wow, that was interesting. That was close. Close call. Okay, so we'll find out who actually won the giveaway. Zincat, you're amazing. Thank you so much, guys. Go check out his channel. Okay, so the winner here is someone who's been subscribed for a long time, so thank you so much to GISM. I love the inverted art videos the most. I would love the inverted Mario Odyssey. So there you go. Thank you so much for joining the giveaway. That is amazing. And you'll want to let me know which of the inverted drawings. Do you want the original colors or do you want the inverted colors? And to all of you who participated, thank you so much. That is amazing. And I'll be doing more giveaways in the future, especially when I hit 5,000 subscribers. So this is one of these art prints. They can let me know which of these two they want. And going back to what I was getting to, there will be more giveaways coming soon, especially when I hit 5,000 subscribers, which will hopefully be during the summer. So help me get to it. Share this video, share anything, share everything. Be lovely to everyone. My name is Kitslam, and I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.